Hi, today I'm gonna share with you my experiment testing all these micro USB to HDMI cables that I ordered from the online store. And the reason why I buy so much cable, because it doesn't work for my Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and until I found the problem. This all is Chinese brand cables, HDMI to micro USB. Usually if you want to share your picture from your smartphone, you need one of these. And usually Samsung using MHL cables like this and this. And I'm also have a smartphone, LG smartphone. They are using a slimport HDMI adapter. Actually, all this cable is working. Maybe you guys wondering why my cable doesn't work. The key is from your TV refresh rate or TV frequency. If your TV aged between 5 and 10 years, it definitely you cannot use that TV to share your picture from your smartphone into your TV, because the refresh rate, the frequency is not meet the minimum requirement from the smartphone. As you can see in the screen, this is my maybe 10 years old Sharp Aquos LCD TV that doesn't compatible with the MHL cables. For now, I'm using this one, MHL for Samsung Note 3. Only the difference is this is with the black color, and the power source I'm plugging with my power bank, and I'm plugging the HDMI into my monitor, and this is actually working. And why I'm using the cables instead of Google Cast or wireless sharing screen, because with the cables you can show the real-time movement from your smartphone into your TV screen. Using a wireless connection, it shows a delay problem, and also you need a Wi-Fi spot connection in between your smartphone and your TV. So I decided to use cables rather than wireless. For my LG G4 smartphone, I'm using this cable, slimport HDMI adapter. For this testing, I'm using a LG monitor. It's a D2770P series, and as you can see, cables is actually working with real time, both vertical and horizontal sharing. So that's my experiments about the Chinese brand cables. It is actually working. The problem is your TV. Try to upgrade your TV or using your computer monitor PC instead of the old plasma or LCD TV. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me to create more videos. Thank you.